If you're tired of dealing with staple jams and weak staplers, the Bostitch No-Jam Stapler might be exactly what you need. Designed to handle up to 20 sheets effortlessly, it's built to bring efficiency and reliability to your workspace. Whether you're assembling brochures, pamphlets, or booklets, this stapler stands out for its consistent performance. What sets this stapler apart is its innovative no-jam technology. This feature dramatically reduces frustrating staple jams, saving you time and keeping your workflow smooth. You won't have to stop mid-project to clear clogs, which means more focus on what matters, your work. Durability is another key benefit. Crafted with an all-metal construction, this stapler is made to last. It holds up well under frequent use, making it a solid investment for offices or production environments where reliability counts. Plus, it uses standard staples, so you won't struggle to find replacements. The Bostitch stapler also offers great versatility. It opens easily for bulletin board tacking and craft projects, adding convenience beyond just stapling stacks of paper. The dual clinch system lets you switch between permanent and temporary stapling with a simple twist, adapting to your specific needs without hassle. A thoughtful detail that users appreciate is the staple reload window. It gives a clear alert when you're running low on staples, so you're never caught off guard. This little feature helps maintain your momentum, especially during busy production runs or tight deadlines. For anyone producing brochures or small batch print projects in-house, this stapler is a cost-effective tool that fits perfectly into the process. It combines ease of operation with durability, making it a practical choice for saving time and money without sacrificing quality. If you want a stapler that blends classic design with modern features, the Bostitch No-Jam Stapler is worth a look. It's dependable, easy to use, and built to handle everyday challenges with ease. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your stapling experience and keep your projects running smoothly. In short, the Bostitch No-Jam Stapler delivers lasting durability, jam-free performance, and versatile functionality. Whether for office use, crafting, or small production runs, it offers clear benefits that improve your workflow and reduce frustration. Consider it your reliable partner for all your stapling needs.